Hello, welcome to the course. Our DevOps for Operation course focuses on provisioning, managing, orchestrating, testing and monitoring of AWS cloud infrastructure. You'll start by setting up an account in AWS, including all the IAM setups, and then build a control node where we're going to run Ansible, Terraform and Packer from. We'll then get straight into building a custom EC2 AMI image using Packer that we're going to use to build the rest of our servers. Next, we build up our Terraform knowledge to understand how that works. Terraform will build all the servers that we need on this course, and we'll customize those VM builds, including security groups and firewall ports. Our project will be to write Ansible code to install and configure a load-balanced web server. You'll install and set up GitLab for source control. We'll be installing and setting up Jenkins to orchestrate your CICD pipeline, and we're going to integrate GitLab webhooks to do this. We'll add some integration tests using Ansible Assert, and all of this will get kicked off upon Git commit. So as soon as you put your code into the repository, it will kick off this workflow. You'll also build a server and install and configure Elastic Stack. We're going to use Grafana as well and visualize server performance. So CPU, memory, processes and disk performance will all be available in a dashboard. I'll show you how to store server facts in Ansible DB and how we can create queries to pull out useful information. The whole process will be integrated with Slack so that we'll get notifications at every step of the way when a build fails or the next step of a process has completed. The course is going to cover a lot of content, but it will be in bite-sized chunks, and I'll be here to guide you along through every step. So subscribe now and get notified when the course is released. I'll see you in the next video.